Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe we'll be learning how to cook salmon cakes, or salmon patties if you prefer. A full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below, or you could just pause the video now. First we soften the peppers. Put a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Saute the peppers for 2 or 3 minutes until they just start to soften. Then remove from the heat and allow it to cool completely. Next we prepare the salmon. Using a sharp knife, cut the salmon into chunks and continue to chop until a coarse mince is achieved. Next you roughly chop the capers. Next we reserve half the breadcrumbs, put all the rest of the ingredients in a large bowl and mix together. When this is done, cover with cling film and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. This helps to firm up the mixture. When you're ready to make the salmon cakes, sprinkle some of the remaining breadcrumbs onto your work surface, then divide the mixture into 4 equal pieces and using your hands form the patty shapes, placing them down onto the breaded surface so they don't stick. I've often said it, and it's true, that my wife has a touch of an angel. But you tell you've had the last bit of chocolate cake out of the fridge, you don't sound like one. When the fish cakes are made, sprinkle over any remaining breadcrumbs and lightly pat down into the surface. And to cook these fish cakes, heat enough oil to shallow fry to a medium heat. Add the fish cakes one at a time. Cook until golden brown on all sides, turning occasionally. As an idea, why not serve these fish cakes with some homemade tartar sauce? And if you don't have a recipe for that, I'll put that right in the next video for you. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you soon again sometime. Bye for now.